Welcome. Today I will show you how to unlock FRP Google Lock in OnePlus 6T. First, disconnect the battery and connect it again. Holding volume up and down buttons, connect phone to the PC in EDL mode. Volume up and down and connect the USB cable. Done. Now we go to the Hydra tool. Choose the Qualcomm Snapdragon. Search for our brand, so OnePlus, and choose the model. Now go to tab Factory Reset Protection, Flash Mode and Zero Wipe, and execute. Agree. Failed. So now we have to repeat this process. Disconnect the phone and connect it again. Execute. And now it's done. Let's check if the phone works. Phone should work fine and without any problems.